Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First open CapCut. Go to New Project and add your 16 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now trim all photos to the time duration of 0.2 seconds. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.